Welcome to our comparison of two popular rice cookers, the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker and the CUCKOO CR0675FG. In this video, we'll explore their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're cooking for yourself or for a family, choosing the right rice cooker can make all the difference. Let's dive in. When it comes to capacity, the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker is designed for smaller households, accommodating up to 3 cups of uncooked rice, which translates to about 6 cups cooked. In contrast, the CUCKOO CR0675FG offers a larger capacity of 6 cups uncooked, making it suitable for bigger families or gatherings. This difference in capacity can significantly affect your cooking needs, especially if you often prepare meals for multiple people. The Zojirushi rice cooker features a straightforward single-switch control, making it easy to operate. However, it lacks advanced features. On the other hand, the CUCKOO CR0675FG incorporates fuzzy logic technology, allowing for more precise cooking and versatility in preparing different types of rice and other dishes. This technology enhances the cooking experience, ensuring that your rice is cooked perfectly every time. In terms of pricing, the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker is more budget-friendly at $59, making it an attractive option for those looking for a reliable rice cooker without breaking the bank. Conversely, the CUCKOO CR0675FG is priced at $109, reflecting its advanced features and larger capacity. While it may be more expensive, the additional functionalities could justify the cost for many users. In conclusion, the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker is a fantastic choice for individuals or small families seeking a simple and reliable cooking solution. Meanwhile, the CUCKOO CR0675FG is ideal for those who desire advanced features and larger capacity. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your cooking needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.